Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Biography of Athletes.
Today you are doing Indian youngest most popular handsome cricketer Abdul Samad lifestyle, biography and more things in this video. I hope you will like this video. Abdul Samad is an Indian cricketer who plays for Jammu and Kashmir in domestic cricket and for Sunrisers Hyderabad in the Indian Premier League. He is a right-handed batsman and right-arm leg break bowler. If you love this video to the end, then don't forget subscribe our channel and press the bell button for more updates. Abdul Samad biography. Real name, Abdul Samad Farooq. Nickname, Samad. Occupation, cricketer, batsman. Ethnicity, Asian, Indian. Zodiac signs, Scorpio. Date of birth, October 28, 2001, age 19 years. Place of birth, Calicut Rajouri, Jammu and Kashmir, India. Nationality, Indian. Religion, Islam. Net worth, $1 million. Abdul Samad education background. School, Lawrence Public School, Jammu. College, Sharik Shikshan Mahavidyalaya, Karate. Educational qualifications, Bachelor's in Physical Education, BP Ed. Abdul Samad cricketer career. Batting style, right-handed bat. Bowling style, right arm leg break. Playing role, batsman. Current teams, Sunrisers Hyderabad, batsman. Current teams, Sunrisers Hyderabad, batsman. Record, he holds the record of hitting highest sixes in a Ranji Trophy season, 36 sixes in Ranji Trophy 2019-20. Abdul Samad family details. Father Muhammad Farooq, physical education master. Mother Farzana Kausar, homemaker. Brother Tayyab, pursuing bachelor's in physical education. Abdul Samad physical stats. Body types, athletic height, centimeters 180 centimeters in meters 1.8 ohm weight, kilograms 75 kilograms in pounds 165.35 lbs color, black hair color, black. Abdul Samad unknown facts. Hailing from a small town in Jammu, Abdul is a fiery domestic level cricketer who is known for his power hitting ability. He represented the Sunrisers Hyderabad in his maiden Indian Premier League (IPL) season, IPL 2020. Just like most of the Indian cricketers in their childhood, Abdul also started his cricket journey by playing cricket on the streets in his locality. With the passage of time, his interest in the game of cricket grew into an obsession. As a schooler, Abdul spent most of his idle time playing cricket. Initially, Abdul's mother was less supportive of his transition into a cricketer. She used to ask him to pay more attention to studies than cricket. However, Abdul's father, who himself was a national-level volleyball player and a decent fast bowler in his youth, backed Abdul to go after his passion. His father got him enrolled at Jammu's Ma Stadium Coaching Center and did everything he could to help Abdul to carry forward his cricket training. Abdul represented Jammu and Kashmir's under-14 cricket team for 3 years, the under-16 team for 2 years, and the under-19 team for 1. Throughout his entire junior cricket journey, Abdul's performances with the bat remained average. His strike rate was good, but he failed to score big runs. Most of the times, he would throw away his wicket and trying to whack the ball for 6. His batting lacked composure and patience that was required to build an inning. Eventually, a turning point came in his career in 2018 when he caught the sight of the former Indian cricketer Irfan Pathan. At a selection trials camp set up at Jammu's Gandhi Memorial Science College for Jammu and Kashmir senior team, at first, Irfan Pathan was awestruck by 16-year-old Abdul's batting style and his ability to hit big shots. Irfan immediately drafted him in Jammu and Kashmir's senior squad for the List A as well as T20s. The precious time that Abdul spent under Irfan Pathan's guidance proved to be fruitful as he started his domestic career for J&K by scoring 76 runs off 51 balls in a Syed Mushtaq Ali Trophy T20 match against Nagaland. The match was played on 21 February 2019. On 27 September 2019, Abdul started his List A cricket career by playing against Rajasthan in Vijay Hazard. On 9 December 2019, he participated in his first Ranji Trophy match against Uttarakhand. He was the highest run scorer for his Jammu and Kashmir in Ranji Trophy 2019-20 with 592 runs in 10 matches. Abdul Samad slams one above the boundary rope during Jammu and Kashmir v Karnataka, Ranji Trophy 2019-20 quarter-final, Jammu, February 23, 2020. The same year in 2019, Abdul went to selection trials for 3 IPL franchises. The Sunrisers Hyderabad franchise saw the potential in him and subsequently bought him for his base price of Rs. 20 lakh, ahead of IPL 2020. He is only the fourth player from Jammu and Kashmir to be the part of the highly coveted T20 tournament. On 29 September 2020, Abdul played his debut IPL match against the Delhi Capitals. Abdul played 11 matches in the IPL 2020 and finished a few crucial games with the bat for his team. Multi-talented Abdul Samad is also a good singer. He can mesmerize anybody with his vocal charm. Here is a clip of him singing a Punjabi song Kala Chan by Sherry Man. Abdul Samad house address. Abdul Samad lives in a luxurious house which is located in Calicut Rajouri, Jammu and Kashmir, India.